Hi everybody, I'm Leslie Durham. I'm the interim president at Weber State, and today we are going to surprise some of our amazing faculty with some great news. We are recognizing 12 faculty with this year's Presidential Teaching Excellence Awards. Come with me and we're going to meet one of them now.
Right, and so we're going to vote people in.
Hello. Good afternoon. Sorry to interrupt your thoughts, but I wanted to share some happy news with all of you.
Is Dr. Reynolds there this morning?
Professor West is one of 12 winners of our Presidential Teaching Excellence Award. And so I'm here to congratulate you and embarrass you in front of your classroom. You were nominated by 17 different students, which is incredible. And I'm going to read what one of them said. Physics has always been intimidating, but having Dr. Johnston as my instructor completely changed that. Nicole is a wonderful, talented, caring teacher.
What makes Dr. Reynolds an outstanding teacher is her genuine passion for learning and her ability to translate that passion into meaningful support for students.
You brought humor, energy, and curiosity to every lesson, which made me excited to learn instead of anxious about the subject.
This immediate success is a direct result of Bryant growing who we are and developing our confidence to be who we are destined to be.
Ty exemplifies the qualities of an outstanding educator and leader. It's that compassion and attentiveness that makes her classroom feel like a community. He's more than a professor. He's a mentor who pushes us to see potential in ourselves that we didn't even know we had. Every time I meet with her, I leave feeling confident and excited to continue my work. The world needs more professors like Brent Warnock. He is truly, in my opinion, the best professor I've ever had. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Oh, thank you so much. And I'm glad you can't see me because I'm crying.